Hello everyone, welcome to Chemistry by Vish. So in our last video we discussed on the topic that is aldol condensation reaction और आज हम जो पढ़ेंगे उसी का extended part है that is called as cross aldol condensation or also called as Claisen-Smith reaction. Why it is called as a Claisen-Smith reaction? Because this reaction is discovered by two scientists, that is a Claisen and Smith. सो व्हाट इज क्रॉस अल्डोल कंडेंसेशन रिएक्शन। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारे आज के वीडियो को। सो व्हेन एन एरोमेटिक अल्डिहाइड और अ कीटोन with no alpha hydrogen atom reacts with aliphatic aldehyde or ketone with alpha hydrogen atom in the presence of a strong base like NaOH or KOH to give alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound as a product. So what is difference between aldol condensation and cross aldol condensation? So aldol condensation में हम लेते हैं 2 moles of an aldehyde or same ketone. Okay, but in this case that is a cross aldol condensation reaction, we take aromatic aldehyde or ketone, okay, with no alpha hydrogen atom. हम ऐसा aromatic aldehyde और ketone लेते हैं जिसमें alpha hydrogen atom नहीं होता, and then we react this with an aliphatic aldehyde or ketone with alpha hydrogen atom in the presence of a strong base like NaOH and KOH. So हमें जो प्रोडक्ट मिलता है that is called as alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. तो चलिए रिएक्शन देखते हैं. So first, when aromatic aldehyde, we take an example of benzaldehyde. So C6H5 C double bond O H. This is a benzaldehyde. So when this benzaldehyde reacts with aliphatic aldehyde or ketone, we take example of acetaldehyde. So when benzaldehyde, that is an aromatic aldehyde जिसमें alpha hydrogen atom नहीं है, and then that reacts with an that is aldehyde, that is acetaldehyde जिसमें alpha carbon है और उस alpha carbon पे 3 alpha hydrogen atoms है. So when these two reacts together in presence of a base like NaOH or KOH, हम कौन सी भी strong base ले सकते हैं. So we get a condensation product by removal of a water molecule. So the product is C6H5 CH double bond CH C double bond O and H. So this is alpha beta, okay, unsaturated compound. So we get alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde as a product. So बहुत सिंपल रिएक्शन है. सो हमने दो अल्डिहाइड लिए, एक में अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम नहीं है और दूसरे में अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम है. ओके, सो वी गेट a product that is a alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or aldehyde in this case. Okay, if we take a ketone, so we get alpha beta unsaturated ketone as a product. So this is a simple reaction of Claisen-Smith reaction or also called as a cross aldol condensation reaction. So what is the mechanism of this reaction? So mechanism बहुत ही simple है. So the mechanism of cross aldol condensation is same as aldol condensation reaction. So in the first step, what happened? So this acetaldehyde reacts with this NaOH. Okay, so ये जो base रहता है वो alpha hydrogen atom abstract करता है. So we get carbanion as a product, which is resonance stabilized by enolate ion. So what is the first step? That is, first this acetaldehyde, we write that acetaldehyde like this. So ये base लेते हैं हम, that is the OH minus ions. So these OH minus ions abstract this H as a H plus और ये जो bond है ये migrate होता है carbon की तरफ. So we get a product that is CH2 minus C double bond O H. So this is called as carbanion. Okay, so this carbanion is resonance stabilized by like this. So we get a product that is a CH2 double bond C O minus and H. So aldol condensation reaction में हमने देखा था. So this product is called as enolate ion. Enolate ion. So in the first step, the first step is that is the formation of carbanion. Formation of carbanion, or we say that abstraction of proton. Abstraction of proton by base. So first step में क्या रहता है, this base, that is the OH minus ion, abstract this H plus ion and this bond migrates towards this carbon and this carbon get converted into carbanion. ये carbanion जो है ये resonance stabilize होता है, resonance stabilize होता है by converting itself into an enolate ion. Okay, so this is the first step of cross aldol condensation reaction, same as aldol condensation reaction. What is the next step? That is the second step. So this carbanion is very much reactive and this act as a nucleophile. So ये जो nucleophile है ये डायरेक्टली अटैक करता है हमारे एरोमेटिक अल्डिहाइड पे जिसपे अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम नहीं है. So this carbanion, so we write this compound as C6H5, C double bond O and H plus CH2 minus C double bond O and H. So this carbanion act as a nucleophile, attacks on the carbonyl carbon because this carbonyl carbon is positively charged and this oxygen is negatively charged, that is a partial positive charge, partial negative charge जो हमने last reaction में पढ़ा. So this nucleophile attacks on this carbon and bond migration takes place. So we get a product like C6H5. This becomes CH which has O minus ion and this C and this C directly attach and form a bond, that is a CH2 C double bond O and H. So this is in the second step. ये second step में next step क्या रहती है, that this O minus ion abstract a proton from the base which is directly abstracted by this base as minus H2O. So this base donate the proton to this O minus ion. So this step is called as a protonation. Protonation. Base क्या करती है, ये जो H plus इसने abstract किया है, so it can donate to this one, this O minus ion, and this step is called as a protonation. So we get a product that is a C6H5 CH OH CH2 C double bond O and H. So this compound is called as alpha and beta, that is a beta hydroxy aldehyde. So we get a product that is a beta hydroxy aldehyde. So what is the second step? That is the formation of or attack of nucleophile on aromatic aldehyde. So attack of nucleophile on aromatic aldehyde, और हम ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं that formation of an beta hydroxy aldehyde. Okay, so step का नाम कौन सा भी रह सकता है, लेकिन in this step that nucleophile attacks on the aromatic aldehyde and convert that aromatic that product into this, that is the oxyanion type of a product, and which abstract the proton from the base. This step is called as a protonation. So we get beta hydroxy aldehyde as a product in the second step. So last step में क्या होता है, that beta hydroxy aldehyde on heating get converted into alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde as a product. So in the third step, this beta hydroxyaldehyde, that is a C6H5 CH OH CH2 C double bond O and H. So इस कार्बन पे 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स है. So we write that 2 hydrogens like this, that is C, H and H. So on heating, or we add base or acid in this reaction, so on heating water molecule get removed. Okay, that is called as, this step actually called as, that is the dehydration reaction. So this step is called as a dehydration. So aldol condensation में हमने देखा D means removal, hydration means water molecule. So in this step water molecule get removed and bond migration takes place. So we get a product that is C6H5 CH double bond CH, then C double bond O and H. So this product is called as alpha and beta. So alpha beta में double bond है, so it is called as an alpha beta unsaturated. This one is an aldehyde, so aldehyde. So this is called as cross aldol condensation reaction, okay, or Claisen-Smith reaction. So थ्री स्टेप रिएक्शन इज सेम एज अल्डोल, कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं है, जस्ट वन चेंज इज देयर, वी यूज एरोमेटिक अल्डिहाइड टू रिएक्ट विद एन एलिफेटिक अल्डिहाइड. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज एन Claisen-Smith reaction or cross-aldol condensation. So in the first step of mechanism, we get carbanion as a product which is resonance stabilized into an enolate ion. Then that carbanion act as a nucleophile which attacks on the carbonyl carbon which is partially positively charged of aromatic aldehyde, and we get oxyanion as a product. This is called as an oxyanion. This oxyanion abstract a proton from the base. Okay, so base ने यहाँ जो proton abstract किया है वो फिर से ये O minus abstract कर लेता है, that is called as a protonation, and we get alpha, that is a beta hydroxyaldehyde as a product. So this beta hydroxyaldehyde then on dehydration, that is the last step, gives a product that is called as an alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. So in this reaction we take an aldehyde as a reactant. हम कीटोन भी ले सकते हैं, फर्स्ट एरोमेटिक कीटोन भी ले सकते हैं और उससे उसकी रिएक्शन एलिफेटिक कीटोन से भी कर सकते हैं. The primary requirement is that we have to take an aromatic aldehyde or ketone with no alpha hydrogen atom and aliphatic aldehyde or ketone with an alpha hydrogen atom. So this is overall called as Claisen-Smith reaction or cross aldol condensation reaction. Thank you.